Hey there! Ever pulled up to a business and felt an immediate sense of trust and professionalism just from the way the outside looks? That's the power of expert landscaping. Today I'm diving into why your business needs professional landscaping and how it can seriously boost your curb appeal. First off, let's talk first impressions. Studies show that customers decide whether to enter a business in just a few seconds. An inviting, well-maintained exterior can make all the difference. It signals that you care about your business and, by extension, your clients. Now, it's not just about looks. Professional landscaping can actually increase the value of your property. Yep, the ROI on a beautifully landscaped property can be substantial. Think of it as an investment, not just an expense, but there's more. Landscaping can also improve the functionality of your outdoor space. Imagine having a cozy seating area for clients, or even a serene garden where your employees can take a breather. It's all about creating a positive environment that enhances everyone's experience. A well-designed landscape can also help with energy efficiency. Strategically placed trees and shrubs can provide shade, reducing the need for air conditioning in the summer and acting as a windbreak in the winter. It's a win-win for your business and the environment. Lastly, let's not forget about the competition. In a crowded market, standing out is crucial. Professional landscaping gives you that edge, making sure you're memorable for all the right reasons. So, if you haven't already, it's time to consider bringing in the pros to elevate your business's curb appeal. Trust me, your clients, employees, and even your bottom line will thank you. We here at Plush Landscaping can help your property stand out. Give us a call, 848-207-9648.